Hey guys, my name's Tony and I'm going to be showing you guys how to add birds to your videos in two different and easy ways. So for the first technique, what you're going to want to do is go out and film some birds against either a blue sky or a really blown out sky. By doing so, it allows your computer to easily key it out. So what you want to do is take your bird shot and lay it over top of the shot that you want it to be coming into, which is this drone shot of me. You're going to come over to the effects panel, type in Luma Keyer, and then you're going to add that on top of that bird clip right there. So once that's up, you're going to want to click on the shot. And what you want to do is click invert, because that will fix this problem right here where you see through the birds. So you click invert, and to get rid of this haze right here, what you want to do is drag the luma roll off all the way to 100, and this will leave you with this right here. And then you're going to use these black sliders and adjust it accordingly to how you like. So I think probably about right there, that's gonna be good for me. And I'm just gonna run this through and then play it over for you guys. So once that's done, this is how your shot will look. Alright, for the second tutorial, if you're not able to go out and film some birds, you can always grab a clip of some birds against a green screen on YouTube and whatnot. I'll post these two bird clips down below and you guys can use it and try it for yourselves. So for the green screen, instead of the Luma Keyer, you guys are going to want to use the Keyer. So what that's going to do is it's going to key out all green, but I want the birds to be up in the horizon right here. So I'm just going to drag that down a little bit and drag that up there. Alright, so I'm going to see how that looks right there. Yep, and then the birds touch the salt flats. Alright, so I'm just going to click done on the transform. And what you kind of see here is this problem. That bird right there is coming behind your subject. So what you're going to want to do is copy and paste the clip of your subject, drag it below, and it has to be perfectly lined up with each other, otherwise this won't actually work. So once that's done, you're going to go over to mask and drag a draw mask over the top of your first clip with the subject in it. Alright, and you're just going to want to add some control points close to your subject. It doesn't really have to outline them, it kind of depends on your shot, but I'm just going to keep on going here. Voila. So once that's done, what you're going to want to do is drag the shots with your birds right below, right here in the middle between those two clips of your subject. And as you play that through, the birds won't pass behind your subject, but it kind of is appearing out of nowhere, so I'm just going to drag that back a little bit. Perfect, right there. Drag that back a little bit too. Right about there. Alright, so I'm going to run this one through. And here is what it should look like. So if you guys like this video, I'm going to be trying to post once a week. Just feel free to subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys next week.